The P0037 code refers to a low voltage in the oxygen sensor heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 2. What does this mean? This is the oxygen sensor located after the catalytic converter. Its primary function is to monitor the efficiency of the catalytic converter, and it requires an internal heater to quickly reach its operating temperature. P0037 indicates that there is too low a voltage in the electrical circuit that powers this heater, meaning it is not warming up properly. The most common symptom is an illuminated check engine light. Generally, there are no other noticeable performance symptoms, as this sensor does not directly affect the air-fuel mixture, but it is crucial for emissions control. Alright, if the P0037 code pops up, the first step is to check it with an OBD2 scanner. The most common issue is a faulty oxygen sensor, specifically sensor 2 on bank 1. This usually happens when the internal heater fails, so it's important to visually inspect the sensor and its wiring. Look out for any damage, corrosion, or even loose connections. Now let's talk about the wiring. It's crucial, really. A broken wire, a short to ground, or a poor circuit connection can definitely be the culprits behind low voltage. Oh, and don't forget to check the fuses associated with the oxygen sensors. In most cases, just replacing the bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor will do the trick and solve the problem. Even if the car keeps running, a downstream oxygen sensor that isn't properly heated just can't provide accurate readings. It's as simple as that.